Tom, you called us out. I was meant to be getting you before you started squirming about. Because you're just so cute, aren't you? Sit how you were sitting. Well, you kinda are. What we're having for tea? Chicken thighs and homemade garlic mayo again? Hmm? Maybe a bit of petit pois on top? No, can't have both. We might have a bit of marmite on the chicken when it starts cooking. I do like marmite. Yeah, man. A little garlic, thyme, dill, sage, black pepper, Himalayan salt. What else we got on there? I think that's about it for now. Cooking a few cloves of garlic in with it as well. Oh, I put a bit of garlic on, garlic powder. Because you've got to have garlic on everything. Garlic, 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 man. Garlic, garlic, garlic. Don't know about you, but it's good for me. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing, Squirmy? What are you doing with your bum in the air? Yeah. Excitedpuss. Excitedpuss. Shelley likes the goats, don't you? You sit and chill on the top of Bobby's hut. Probably Billy's as well, but Bobby's is more sheltered. And I've seen you in the huts as well. So I don't know whether you're in there with them. You maybe could have looked next to them, you know? Keep each other warm and cozy. So yeah, I don't know whether I'm actually baking or roasting my chicken when I call it roast chicken. I basically cook it on 175 Celsius for about 40 minutes. Turn it over, do another 20 minutes or something, and turn it over again and do it for another 20 minutes.